everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Fall Wreath Challenge. This is being co-hosted by Deco Easy and My Happy Home. In this challenge, you're to make a wreath, and the only requirement is that you have something from a thrift store. And this is what I'm going to use on my wreath. And I got him at Goodwill for $1.99. He is so cute. So when I was trying to figure out how I was going to make my wreath, I was getting out my fall stuff that I had from last year, and I came to this bucket that had all these in it. And let me show you what these are. These are just some little things that I had put together last year, and I had added them just here and there on a fall tree that I had put up. And I was thinking, whoa, this would be really good for my wreath. So I'm going to use these, plus I'm going to add a little bit of green to them. This has a little green, and I think it would just feel a little more color. So these are going to be very important, and I started here just to see how it was going to look. And I think it's going to be all right, but let's get started, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Now the first thing I want to show you is the material. Now I use this Deco mesh in these three colors. Now I use these two colors the most because that's what I had left over from last year on the Christmas tree. But I did I'm adding some green just to give it a little more color, and because the scarecrow has some green. I know it's not the same color, but you wouldn't want the same color because you want this to stand out, but it does have green. And I'm going to show you how I made these. All you do, or all I did rather, is just get it and just roll it up. And you'll do all three. And you're not that worried about these little strings because it is going to be for the scarecrow, and that won't hurt because a scarecrow is like a rag doll anyway. So you have it looking like that. Then just get you some ribbon. Sort of fold it in the middle. Now this is some burlap that I got from Dollar Tree last year, and I never used because it does fray a lot. But I decided that's perfect for a scarecrow, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. we'll come over here, get one of these. First, let me tie this off. It'll be easier to show you and to work with. Just tying it like that. Getting it, pushing it together. We're moving this around and about. Like I said, don't worry about these. Now you just want to add it to your wreath form. And all I'm doing is just getting a pipe cleaner, securing it to the form, moving it where I want it, and then adding this to the wreath. And they'll all blend in once you start getting them all together. Like I said, I'm not going to use green on every one of them, mainly just because I just don't want that much green in it. Now I am getting to the end, and I am actually starting to run out of the Deco mesh because I didn't go buy any. Everything that I am using I already had in my stash, and I don't want to have to go buy any more, so I am really trying to make this work. So what I've done is I stopped and I made a bow. So now I am going to add the bow, and that will help me some in getting this for my material to work out. I have to get one of these. It does blend in. It doesn't stand out very much because of the fact that I did use the same ribbons that I've had in all of this, and the colors are just so much the same. But I still think it looks good, and like I said, I didn't want to have to go and buy anything else. The only thing I purchased to make this was the scarecrow sign. Fluff this up. And even some of these I had to really piece together. And I put a flower in there in the middle. Now, I have to hope I have enough. I ran out of the orange. I may have to use only the green and the brown. And if I do, that's okay. It's going to be all right. Okay, now I'm going to have to stop and cut. And I just need this little bit of space. So I am just going to use these two, and I think everything's going to work out fine. Now I'm just doing the last little touches here. Okay, that's what it looks like right now. Now I need to figure out where and how I'm going to put this on. Weave that in. And here is my final project. I love the way my wreath turned out. I want to thank Deco Easy and My Happy Home for making this an open challenge. I thoroughly enjoy participating. I'm going to leave a link to both of their channels below. Hope everyone watches and checks out their channels. They do DIYs, they participate in challenges. You just really enjoy their channels. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would surely appreciate you doing so now. Hope everyone has a wonderful day and a great weekend. Bye-bye.